Bitcoin fund manager, aka CryptoFace, with an emergency broadcast. I tell you what, I'm willing to bet that many of you have never seen 656% profit. Maybe you can't see it now from this lighting. Come on. Come on. Come on. There. Oh, there we go. 656%. Shout out to the whale crew. And by the way, these aren't the trades from earlier this morning that we already looked at. These ones are fresh. Oh, let's see what else we got here. Shout out to the whale crew. Oh, look at this guy. He might not know how to use the print screen button and copy it, but he sure is making profits. He knew to donate and sign up for the whale crew. Oh, let's take a look here. Oh, wow, look at that. Wow, look at that. Shout out to the whale crew. Oh, shout out to the whale crew. Let's see. Oh, 232%. Oh, 232%. What's this guy in here? 46%. 46%. Way to go. Way to go. Let's see what else we got. All right, we'll take it. We'll take it. You too can be a part of. This is more than just a revolution. This is evolution. You too, if you want to evolve, and boy does it happen quick. I'm telling you, we turn guppies into killers in a day. We turn people into pros in one day. One day. Longed 146, and we are just letting everything take care of us here. We're just, I mean, it's that simple. Do you want proof? Oh, whoops, that was the public. I don't post there anymore. Here we go. 146. 149. I even in the morning we called it. I said, we're going to go through a little turbulence. We're going through a little turbulence, but it's natural. Sometimes we're in the sugar cube. I talked about the sugar cube that we talked about in the video today. And that's it. I mean, you know what I'm saying? That's all you need. That's all you need. Literally, we called the bottom. We longed the bottom. And yeah, we added a little bit too. Added a 148 and 149. And I personally am at like 100 and something. I bordered 80 to 110%. I'm probably closer to 100% now since we're up here. Ethereum's just absolutely kicking ass. We're a bunch of ETH moon boys now, and yeah, I tell you, if you have never seen hundreds of percent gains, I mean every single day, guys. I mean, we have what, 130, 140 members. Do you think if things weren't going well, you'd probably hear about it, right? We've had what, two or three people I've had to kick out for being flopping gropers and annoying and bothering other people. Other than that, this is a kick-ass community. We have some elite traders in the group too. Everyone comes in here and gets better. Just when you join, don't be a douche. Try not to ask too many damn questions that you can solve on a Google search, like tech support shit, BitMEX shit, simple basic things. Don't bait other people into TA. No flopping and groping. Just sit back, relax, roll, go with the flow. Don't flop and grope, and that's it. Oh, look, it looks like we just had a fresh post. We had a fresh post. What's this here? Can't read it, but I don't know. This guy must be new. And so, but that looks good for him. Good for him.